Hello friends, today we discuss about definition, structure and functions of lysosomes. Table of contents are as definition, structure, types of lysosome and functions. Now first of all we discuss definition of lysosomes. Lysosomes are membrane bound, dense granular structures containing hydrolytic enzyme responsible mainly for intracellular and extracellular digestion. The word lysosome is made up of two words. Lysis means breakdown and soma means body. It is an important cell organelle responsible for the inter and extracellular breakdown of substances. They are more commonly found in animal cells, while only in some lower plant groups like as slime molds and saprophytic fungi. Lysosomes occur freely in the cytoplasm in animals found in almost all cells except in RBCs. They are found in most abundant number in cells related to enzymatic relations such as liver cells, pancreatic cells, kidney cells, spleen cells, leukocytes, macrophages, etc. Now, structure of lysosomes. Lysosomes are without any characteristic shape of or structure, that is, they are pleomorphic. They are mostly globular or granular in appearance. It is 0.2 to 0.5 micrometer in size and is surrounded by a single lipoprotein membrane unique in composition. The lipoprotein membrane contains highly glycosylated lysosomal associated membrane proteins and lysosomal integral membrane proteins. Lysosomal associated membrane proteins and lysosomal integral membrane proteins form a coat on the inner surface of the membrane. They protect the membrane from attack by the numerous hydrolytic enzymes retained inside. The lysosomal membrane has a hydrogen proton pump which is responsible for maintaining pH conditions of the enzyme. The acidic medium maintained by the proton pump that pumps proton inside the lumen ensures the functionality of the lysosomal enzymes. Inside the membrane, the organelle contains enzymes in the crystalline form. Lysosomal enzymes. For degradation of extra and intracellular material, lysosomes filled with enzymes called hydrolyses. It contains about 40 varieties of enzymes which are classified into the following main types, namely proteases which digest proteins, lipase enzyme digests lipids, amylase enzyme which digests carbohydrates, nucleases which digest nucleic acids and phosphoric acid monoesters. Collectively, the group of enzyme is called hydrolyses, which cause cleavage or substrates by the addition of water molecules. Most of the lysosomal enzyme function in the acidic medium. Types of lysosomes. There are two main types of lysosomes. First is primary lysosomes and second secondary lysosomes. Primary lysosomes are small sac-like structures enclosing enzymes synthesized by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. These are simply known as storage granules or storing enzymes. Now, secondary lysosomes. These are formed by the fusion of primary lysosome with phagosomes. Secondary lysosomes contain engulfed material plus enzymes, and Secondary lysosomes are progressively digested. Now, functions of lysosomes. Lysosomes serve two major functions. First, intracellular digestion. To digest food, the lysosome membrane fuses with the membrane of food vacuole and escorts the enzyme inside. The digested food then diffuses through the vacuole membrane and enters the cell to be used for energy and growth. Second, autolytic action. Cell organelles that need to be get ridden are covered by vesicles or vacuoles by the process of autophagy to form autophagosome. The autophagosome is then destroyed by the action of lysosomal enzymes. Processes in which lysosomes play crucial roles include heterophagy, the taking into the cell of exogenous material by phagocytosis or pinocytosis, and the digestion of the ingested material after fusion of the newly formed vacuole with the lysosome. Autophagy, a normal physiological process that deals with the destruction of cells in the body. It is essential for maintaining homeostasis, for normal functioning by protein degradation, turnover of destroyed cell organelles for new cell formation, extracellular digestion. Primary lysosomes secrete hydrolysis outside by exocytosis, resulting in degradation of extracellular materials. Example, saprophytic fungi. Autolysis, it refers to the killing of an entire set of cells by the breakdown of the lysosomal membrane. It occurs during amphibian and insect metamorphosis. Fertilization, the acrosome of the sperm head is a giant lysosome that ruptures and releases enzymes on the surface of the egg. This provides the way for sperm entry into the egg by digesting the egg membrane. And last one, as janitors of the cell. Lysosomes remove junk that may accumulate in the cell, helping to prevent diseases. Thank you.